If you've been scrolling for real ways to make money online, stop right here. These 5 methods are simple, proven, and perfect, even if you're starting from zero. And the best part is, you can begin today. Online income is no longer a dream, it's a skill. In this video, I'll break down 5 powerful ways to make money online using platforms you already know. No complicated tech, no unrealistic promises, just practical steps and real examples. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Social media income. You don't need a huge audience to earn. Start with simple content, quick tips, tutorials, or relatable posts. Then offer small services like social media management, caption writing, product reviews, or affiliate recommendations. Consistency builds trust, and trust eventually becomes income. Number 2. Blogging or a simple website. This is perfect if you enjoy writing or sharing knowledge. Choose one topic: fitness, food, finance, or anything you understand well. Monetize with Google Ads, affiliate links, or small digital downloads. A single well-written article can pay you again and again. Number 3. YouTube. And no, you don't need to show your face. Voiceover videos, tutorials, list-style videos, and simple animations work extremely well. Use Canva stick figure animations or stock clips while you focus on helpful content. Upload consistently and your channel grows even while you sleep. Number 4. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to earn even as a beginner. Offer microservices such as logo design, caption writing, Canva edits, short video edits, or voiceovers. Start with small jobs, deliver quickly, and raise your prices as your reviews increase. And number 5. Other smart online income options. You can sell digital products like templates, planners, or guides. You can try print on demand, creating simple t-shirt or mug designs, or earn passive income through affiliate programs like Amazon, Canva, and different software tools. Small digital items can grow into long-term income streams. So here's a quick recap: social media, blogging, YouTube, freelancing, and simple digital products. Choose one path today and take action. Online income doesn't come from wishing, it comes from starting. If this is helping so far, tap the like button so more people can find this guide. Subscribe for more simple online income tips, and I'll see you in the next video.